Simbot Menteri Rangba Kejela Uba Sniawbhalang Dahar Ulapin Schem ba ke Sorkar kan Ailad ya Kano Kano ke Jingbyrngem na ke Hnlc bat Ulapin Remjur ya ke Jingpin Bethei IED Hadahar Construction Company ha Shimlong East Jingkynnoh Hills. Uba Sniawbhalang uloong ba ke Sorkar ke Pirsha Ajor ya ke Jingpin Trim bat ke Kamle no bat ulayaro ya ki Pulin ki blale kloy ban kem ya kini ki bedon keti Ulapin pauru ba ki Jingkynnoh ke Hnlc shaphang ke jingerap pisa da ke boong ha ki kindiat benai baladem ki kam ba uba Sniawbha ujusiu pisa bat mintapan ki ong ba uba Sniawbha umjusiu ulo ong ba kini ki Jingkynnoh baro kilong ki Bomdan Nongrim uba Sniawbhalang ula kintu ikipat ba khamtam iki samla bakin am syeptiang namar ke Sorkar ke yang ringkat bat kipat ba bat kan yeng ha ke Nongrim ban ya khun persya iki kambaman Henry ulapin pauru ba ke jingkhang jong ke jingye kren yesuk bat ke Hnlc kadang plehi Henry ke Sorkar ke kwa ek jingsuk ke bane bat ke jingbha ya ke jela Shushu ulaong ba ke Sorkar ke yeng naga benta ke roi kapar bat ke jingye teli bat kanum sya ikinu kinu ki jing persyang bat pin sapriang jing sniu ha Meghalaya
By day berkani ke jing krim jong HLC hawan yu ke tu ke jing penbelas ke tu ke cakap kumbai i baroi tangku wahi na keling jong Sorkar ni kumi kini ke jing pentim lim tu semua. We are deadly against it. Kamtam kum ke HLC lagi latul pada its advanced organizations. The don't book bagi polis jong gila atri stom gila yok ban kem batu kan yut. We believe in police. They will do their own course of action. The kum bagi orang kata kajing siut. They contradict themselves. Hagini ke benai belade ke orang ba usung bah suyang. Mata ber ke orang ba ukrem suyang. Tadi kum kini berok bela. Yo ilepa ber kam kai sudah. Tenaga leng jo kum duduk cimlustar. We are deadly against all these terrorist activities. Kum kini leng aku akan kensai baik igi kun jeng state jeng berok kau. We are very clear. Ni nem pendem hanu ro aku bede ba kini riu ke ata. Kamtam kam no. Piti barok ko we are against it. We kwap an bo ru gajing ketui kun du se mendai bikin ting mendai bikin sakit kata we are with them. We are with the people of the state and at the same time so we always used to talk from every now and then they are most welcome if they come to the table to talk for peace. It may be not click in the first instance but the door is still open for the HLC to come and talk at the government level. We are still okay. No problem. We are still okay with that. Peace, I think. We always want peace. To maintain peace and tranquility in the state of Meghalaya as a whole. And I would like to repeat again. The door is open for talks, and they have come and talk in serious or even at the level of Honorable Home Minister. And even till today, the door is open to talk peace. So I request all the people of the state, they should not be afraid. We are with the people of the state. Totally, don't worry. We would like to strengthen the state and we are for development. We are not for anything else, which is really negativity, which spread the negativity against throughout the state. So which are totally against all these activities.